All right, we're just going to take a quick look at the TopTes digital anemometer. This is a highly rated model. We're going to take it out of the box and try it on a couple things. Comes with a nice little sleeping bag. What I like about this one is it has a nice big digital display. If you have this mounted somewhere, you're going to be able to read it from a good distance away. You can cycle between all kinds of different units. It's got miles per hour, feet per minute, feet per second, meters per second, kilometers per hour, knots, all the things. You can also cycle between Celsius and Fahrenheit for your temperature. Also, something nice about this one is it has a pretty small fan comparatively to some of the other ones. It can measure lower speeds a little bit easier than some of the other ones. I love how they include Duracell batteries, not some knockoff battery that's going to last 2 weeks. If you press and hold this button here, you have a backlight. You can configure it to show you what the max wind speed was, what the minimum speed was, and what the average is during the period of time that you had it on. This one picks up a reading with a really gentle blow, less than what it would take to blow out a birthday cake. Although it works well at low speeds, it also works at high speeds too. This can go up to 67 miles per hour. A lot of the similarly priced ones will only go up to 65. So right now in the yard, there is a very gentle breeze that's almost imperceptible, and it's even able to pick that up a little bit between the fence posts here. Definitely a nice and sensitive unit. I'm happy with this already.